Hello and welcome to popscript.com. In this video we're going to walk you through the process of adding a subdomain to your existing cPanel account. Okay, in this video we're assuming that you're already logged into your cPanel account. If you have not done that, go ahead and either click on the pause or the stop button and log into your account. And we're going to move down here. Okay, when you're logged in, you will see a subdomain link in your cPanel account. Now, unless your account is restricted or you're not allowed to create a subdomain, you should be able to see this link in your account. And most, even shared hosting accounts nowadays, most of them had in there. So you'd click on subdomain, the subdomain link there. Okay, now you'll be presented with a subdomain screen. Okay, what the screen does is it shows you any subdomains that have been added. It allows you to set up redirection. Let's say you created a subdomain and you want to redirect it to a whole nother URL or a whole nother website. You can do that from this screen. But for now, we're going to show you how to add a subdomain to your account. And for our server, we own the demoserver.com, which is just that. It's just a demo server. We have script websites installed on it. So for example, we have mish.thedemoserver.com. Okay, this is all really a matter of preference. You actually could create a subfolder so that you'd have the demoserver.com or yourdomain.com / and then some folder name, whatever that is that you wanted to create. Or in this case, adding a subdomain, you would actually have it before your domain name. Okay, so you would have some folder dot and then yourdomainname.com. Okay, and to some people that looks a lot better, and you know there are very good reasons for using that. Down here in the box, you will be presented with a blank box where you would type in the subdomain that you want to use. Now obviously this is really up to you. It depends on what you want to install. Just as an example, let's say if we wanted to install an auction website, chances are we would create a subdomain called auctions. Okay, and we type that into that box right there, auctions. Okay, now what we would end up with is a subdomain called auctions.thedemoserver.com. Okay, when we clicked this add button here on the right hand side. Okay, now we have many other domain names on this particular account, and I'm sure most of you probably do as well. But you will see there's a drop-down menu here that you can choose what domain you want to add that to. So if you have 20, 30 domain names on your shared hosting account, you can go ahead and add another subdomain to that, and the server will create that for you and automatically point the files to that folder that you create. And it's all basically the same as far as obviously no matter what domain name you would want to use, or I should say subdomain name you would want to use, the process is the same. However, whatever you put in this box, you probably should give it some kind of thought. It should probably have something to do with the website that you that you intend to install. Obviously you wouldn't want to put cars.thedemoserver.com if you were installing an auction site, unless of course maybe it was a car auction. or something. So give that thought before you just type something into that box there, because that also will show up in the browser, and your visitors and users will be typing that into the top of their browser bar. And then of course Google and MSN and Yahoo will be spidering that as well. So give that some thought. That is important, and that's all there is to it. And we want to thank you for watching. Bye bye.